How does foreclosure affect your credit score? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and on this video today we're going to try to answer that question. How does foreclosure affect your credit score? That's a question that millions of people are having to answer right now because foreclosure is a problem for a very large number of people. First of all, foreclosure is a very big threat to your credit score. It can easily drop your credit score 200 to 300 points. So if you had a credit score of say 700, you could all of a sudden be at 500 or 400, making it very, very difficult. Now, if your credit score is less than 720, it will cost you a lot of money. Even if you're able to buy a home, it will cost you a lot of money in increased payments because of increased interest. So foreclosure is a devastating event for your credit score. It doesn't have to be a fatal event. It can be dealt with if it can be walled off and dealt with as a single item. In other words, you're not defaulting on every single debt that you have. For some reason you had this foreclosure. Usually it results from when people buy a home, they have maybe a second balloon mortgage or something, and all of a sudden the interest rate makes it too high for them to make the payments and they have to let the home go. They lose it in foreclosure. These things happen. Try to maintain on the rest of your debts and you can recover. Now, foreclosure is going to stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, but you can recover through various credit score rebuilding programs. Let me give you an example. You don't even have to permit a foreclosure. You can do a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and save your home from foreclosure if you have a simple source of income that you can use in that. That is a very good tactic to use. There's no reason to lose your home in foreclosure if you don't want to. Number two, once the bankruptcy is done, at my law firm at least, we have a credit score rebuilding program called 7 Steps to 720. That will get your credit score back to 720 or higher in a very short period of time. We offer it free to our bankruptcy clients. That's something for you to consider, folks. You don't have to let a foreclosure happen, but if you do, you can recover.